Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWeber, manage email lists and campaigns step by step clearly. Visit the AWeber website at www.aweber.com. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your AWeber account. Type in your password in the designated field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box that says Remember Me. Click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will be directed to your AWeber dashboard. Here, you can view your email lists and campaigns at a glance. To manage your email lists, click on the Lists tab on the left sidebar. From there, you can create a new list or manage existing ones. To set up a new email campaign, click on the Messages tab. Select Create a Message to start a new campaign. Choose whether you want to create a plain text email or an HTML message. Follow the prompts to design your email content. After designing your email, click Next. Review your email settings, including the subject line and from name. Once everything looks good, click Save and Exit. To send your campaign, return to the Messages tab. Select the campaign you wish to send, then click Send Options. Follow the on-screen instructions to schedule or send your email immediately. Congratulations, you are now ready to effectively manage your email lists and campaigns in AWeber. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.